going to be going over the Heat King 300 glycol heater from Tamarack Industries. Heat King glycol heaters are commonly used on construction and job sites for curing concrete, ground thawing, frost prevention, or for providing space heating in the rental, construction, and resource sectors. Heat Kings are a safer, simpler, and more reliable way to prepare foundation sites, cure concrete, and provide temporary heat in cold weather. Heat King's double loop technology uses shorter hoses, more fluid, and higher efficiency pumps with increased flow. This allows Heat Kings to provide a more consistent temperature to the field for optimal concrete curing and ground thawing results. Everyone operating the Heat King glycol heater should be familiar with the recommended operating and maintenance procedures and follow the safety precautions outlined in the Heat King Operator's Manual. While operating a Heat King, it is essential to always wear personal protective equipment, including a hard hat, protective boots with slip-resistant soles, protective goggles, heavy gloves, and hearing protection. Both the front and rear control panels for the HK300 are designed with red emergency stop switches. HK150 and HK300 have rear panel only. To press the stop switch to stop the pumps and shut off the burners. The lights will stay on even though all the machine functions have shut down. Heat Kings are a heater designed to heat a tank of glycol and pump that glycol through a series of hoses, heating the area around those hoses. Simply turn on the generator, set your heater loop switch to on, and set temperature once the hoses are set up according to your thaw or cure plan. Turn on the field loop and begin your job. It's that easy. Pro tip: when you arrive at the site, turn the heat on. You can use the freewheeling feature to take out the hose. By the time it is set up, the glycol should be at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Best practice with the Heat King is to use all the hose segments to increase the surface area being heated and reduce working time. Applying vapor barrier and using insulated blankets are highly recommended for optimal performance. You can always refer to the Thaw and Cure Handbook for recommendations. Review and follow the shutdown procedures whenever shutting down the Heat King. Turn off the field loop and heater loop switches. You can then evacuate the glycol from the hose by using the onboard compressor if desired. This keeps the lines lighter when reeling them back on the hose reel, and if you are doing any application where you need to retrieve the glycol back into the holding tank. For the next job, the glycol will heat up in just minutes. Heat Kings can be attached to a towing vehicle with a mechanical retainer. Connect the brake anchor cable to the truck frame to activate the trailer brakes. Ensure the towing vehicle is equipped with a trailer brake controller. Plug in the wiring harness for the trailer lights and brakes. Alternatively, the Heat King forklift pockets can be used to secure the unit onto a flatbed trailer with chains or the appropriate straps. Builders, general contractors, concrete contractors, excavators, bridge contractors, electricians, plumbers, utility contractors, energy contractors, and dewatering service companies all use Heat Kings. Heat Kings are used on job sites in cold climates to thaw ground and prepare foundation sites before construction begins, to cure concrete during construction, or to provide temporary heat throughout all phases of construction. Prior to renting a Heat King glycol heater to a customer, determine the application and consider the size of the area that needs to be heated. Each model of the Heat King glycol heaters is rated for maximum cure, thaw, and space heating capabilities in square feet. When using the Heat King to thaw the ground, consider soil compaction, soil moisture, and outdoor temperatures. When curing concrete with the Heat King, moisture levels and outdoor temperatures are important to consider to ensure a proper cure. Common accessories of the Heat King include HX200 unit heater, portable hose reel, remote manifolds, booster pump kit, and multi-quip 6 kilowatt or 7 kilowatt generator kits. Contact your local Herc rentals to rent a Heat King or for more information.